Namaste to all my dear children. So safe at your home. Don't go to play outside. Okay. Welcome to today's sessions. We are going to learn mixed bag question number 6. So applying profit and loss, the story sense. So I read the story. An artist bought a painting for rupees 5,600. She spent rupees 1,350 in framing it. She then sold it for rupees 6,950. Find her profit or loss. Question: what was given? Given. An artist bought a painting. So bought, that is a cost price. So cost price rupees, how much? 5,600. Okay, she spent rupees 1,350 framing it. That is overhead charges. So overhead. Rupees 1,350. Then she then sold it for rupees 6,950. That is selling price. Selling price rupees 6,950. So cost price, overhead and selling price was given in that question. Now we have to find out profit or loss. So now first we have to find out total cost price. Find total cost price. Total, how to find the total cost price? So actual cost price plus overhead charges. Actual cost price plus overhead. Okay, actual cost price how much? Rupees 5,600 plus overhead 1,350. Now both the value you should add. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, then 6 plus 3, 9, then 5 plus 1, 6. So 6,950. So 6,950 is a total cost price. Total cost price rupees 6,950. Okay. Total cost price rupees 6,950. Then selling price rupees 6,950. Here both the value are same. So CP is equal to SP. So rupees 6,950 is equal to selling price also 6,950. So both the value are same. There is no profit or loss. There is no profit or loss. So cost price. வாங்கின cost price க்கு sales பண்ணிருக்கான். There is no profit and no loss. That is answer. The next question. Allam Party used a car for rupees 45,600. He spent rupees 2,356 in repairing it and then sold it for rupees 47,000. Did he make a profit or loss? How much? So what was given in the question? What was given in the question? So what a used car. So that is a cost price. Cost price rupees 45,600. Then he spent rupees 2,356 in repairing charges. So that is overhead. Rupees 2,356. Then selling price rupees 47,000. So the three things was given. Now come to the solution. So cost price and overhead charges. from these two we get the total cost price. So total cost price is equal to actual cost price plus overhead. Okay, then actual cost price rupees 45,600 plus overhead charges rupees 2,356. Both the value we should add. So 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6, 6. Then 0 plus 5, 5. Then 6 plus 3, 9. You could take comma. Okay. Then 5 plus 2, 7. Then 4 only. Then 4. Okay. 47,956 is a total cost price. Is equal to rupees 47,956. We get the total cost price. Then selling price was given. Now we have to find out it is a profit or loss. So profit means how much, loss means how much we have to find out. Total cost price rupees 47,956. So selling price rupees 47,000. So comparing these two values, whichever is bigger, then selling price is a less than the cost price. Cost price is a bigger value. So cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, here cost price is greater than selling price. Selling price and the cost price adhigama irukku. Appo we will get what is equal to loss. So cost price always higher irundaduna we get loss. Okay, then so how to find out loss? So loss is equal to, then loss is equal to how much? Cost price 47,956 minus selling price rupees 47,000. Okay, then so cost price 47,956 minus 47,000. Remaining how much? So 956. So 956 is a loss of. Okay, so loss rupees 9,556 is your answer. Okay, the next question. So the school bookseller buy a set of class 5 textbook for rupees 1,559. At what price should he sell the set of make a profit of rupees 500? So from that question, what was given? So buy means that is a cost price. So what was given in that question? So the bookseller buys, that is a cost price. Cost price rupees 1,559. Then at what price should he sell? Selling price was not given, but profit was given. So profit is equal to rupees 500. Okay, that is given. Then come to the solution. Now we have to find out selling price. How to find out selling price? Cost price plus profit. Okay, cost price how much? 1,559 plus a profit rupees 500. Okay, both the value we should add in the working columns. So 1,559 plus 500. 500 is a profit. So 9 plus 0, 9, 5 plus 0, 5, then 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, then 0 here, then 1 is carried over, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2,059. 2,059. So selling price rupees 2,059. Okay, are you clear, children? Okay, thank you. Next, practice work. So 2 sums was given as a homework. So you have to do at your home and tomorrow you will submit. Okay, children? Thank you, children. We will meet the next session.